All right, last one for the inequalities for right now. They are allowed to give us simple word problems. I'm not asking you to write any of this at all. I don't want you to. I don't want you to waste your time. I will read it. I will talk through it. And then I think I gave you 7 of them to try. It's an exit ticket. So this says, Regina noticed that her company made a profit of negative $2.5K, which means negative $2.5,000. The big thing that matters here is simply the negative sign. Okay, that's important. Because automatically I know that she is less than 0. Which means that she's really not making a profit. She's losing money. 0's nothing. She's less than 0. She's losing money. So she noticed that her company made a profit of negative $2.5,000 last month and a profit of $1.6K or $1.6,000 this month. Because I don't see any negative sign, that tells me that this is a positive number, that this is more than 0. That matters. So that was less than 0, that's more. Okay? Compare the inequalities and choose a statement that correctly describes the relationship between the inequalities. I'm just going to focus here first. They want me to compare them, or they would want you to compare them, which means you're either using the less than or the greater than symbol. So your mouth is always going to open to the bigger number. This little negative sign matters because it tells me that it is less than 0. It's smaller than nothing. No symbol here means it's positive, which means it is greater or more than 0. Because this is more and that is less, my mouth is going to open to the bigger number. When they are asking you to choose a statement, you're just going to have to go back and reread it. If you know that the 1.6 number is the bigger number, then I'm going to focus on that. It says that she's making a profit of $1.6K or $1.6,000 more this month. So that's my bigger number. A said Regina's company made more money this month. That's that 1.6. Or B, Regina's company made more money last month. But last month is when she was less than 0. That was that negative 2.5 number. This is my greater number. That's my bigger number, which means she's making more money here. She can't make more money if she's in the negative. Same type of thing, okay? Peter has negative $18 in his checking account and $14 in his savings account. Compare the inequalities and choose a statement that correctly describes the relationship between the inequalities. That negative sign tells me it's less. This is 18 less than 0. This is no symbol, which means automatically it's positive. It's 14 more or 14 greater than 0. Because this is a positive number, it's automatically bigger. This is less than 0. This is more than 0. So you need to focus on the 14. 14 is what you want. It said that there were $14 in his savings account. That's my greater number here. So A says Peter has more money in his checking account. Well, he had negative $18 there. His savings account is where he had 14. There are 7 that are like this. I'm not having you do the mouth, but I am having you just read the sentence and then pick the thing that makes the most sense. So if you need to use the whiteboard to draw out your numbers, you might actually need to do the opening the mouth to the bigger number part so that it's a little easier for you to select the correct statement.